In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start lecture number 26, class 9th, exercise 9.1 and 9.3, topic coordinate geometry. Now, coordinate geometry, that is the definition. The study of geometrical shapes in a plane is called plane geometry, and coordinate geometry is the study of geometrical shapes in the Cartesian plane. That is the definition of coordinate geometry. That is the formula of distance. Distance, it is denoted by d equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square whole under root. D greater than 0 always. It means d cannot be negative. It means that we cannot say that the distance from my home to my school is minus 10 kilometer. It is not possible. So distance should be greater than 0 and will be greater than 0. First of all, we will start exercise 9.1, question number 1. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. A part, first of all, we will do A into 9 to B equals to 7 to. A is first order pair, B is the second order pair. You know that in order pair, first value for x and second value for y. For example, this is first order pair. A into 9 and 2. So x equals to 9 and y equals to 2. Now this is the second order pair B. So x1 equals to 7 and x2 equals to 7 and y2 equals to 2. So you have to put the values in formula. X2 7 minus 9 whole square. Now y2 minus y1 2 minus 2 whole square. Now 7 minus equals to minus 2 because biggest number having the sign of minus. Now 0 square. So take the square of minus 2, 4 plus 0. So you have to get answer 4 under root. Now take the under root of 4, then it will be equals to 2. So that is the answer. Now let's see, we will start question number 2, part number 2nd. Let P be the point. Now let's see. Let P be the point on x-axis with x coordinate A and Q be the point on y-axis with y coordinate B as given below. Find the distance between P and Q. Now understand this point. P be the point. P point lies on x-axis and its x coordinate is A. It means A is x coordinate and y coordinate here will be 0. Now Q be the point on y-axis. Q is a point which is lie on a y-axis and y coordinate is B. It means B is a y coordinate and it means here x is 0 as given below. Find the distance. So you have formed the ordered pair. Now let's see. Here x is A and A here you can write here A and B, y here is 0. So A value is 2 and 0. Now here Q is the point on y-axis and here A 0 and B. So you can write here 0 and B here is 3. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So you have to put the values in formula. Same formula you have to apply here. So x2 0 minus 3 whole square and 3 minus 0 whole square. So minus 3 whole square and 3 whole square. 9 plus 9 equals to, so x2 minus x1 3. I have put here 3. Make correction. This is 2. Take the square of 2, then it becomes 4. So 9 plus 4 equals to under root 13. That is the answer. Now remaining parts of question number 1 and 2 of exercise 9.1 are homework having the same procedure. Now exercise 9.3 we will start. Question number 1. Find the midpoints. Midpoint means center point. So A is first order pair and B is second order pair. X1 and Y1. X2 and Y2. So midpoint formula of AB is equals to X1 plus X2 divided by 2, Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. That is the formula to find out the midpoint. So you have to put the values here. X1 9 plus 7 divided by 2 and 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Now you have to do the simplification. 9 plus 7 equals to 15, 16 I think so. It will be equals to 16. So 16 divided by 2 Now 4 divided by 2. So you have to get 8 and 2. That is the midpoints of A and B. Now question number 2. This is the word problem. So you have to don't put here this bracket. You have just put comma like this. Now next question number 2 we will discuss. Question number 2 is the end point P of a line segment PQ is minus 3 and 6 and its midpoint is 5. Midpoint is given here and its end point also. Starting point you have to find the coordinates of the end point Q. First of all you have to let, since R 5 8 is the midpoint of P minus 3 and 6 and QXY, then so this is given, QXY you have to find out here. So you have to apply here the formula of midpoint separately. Midpoint equals to x1 plus x, midpoint of x equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So you have to put 5. Now 5 and here x1 you have to find out here. So x2 here is minus 3 divided by 2. Same here 8. Y1 you have to find out here and y2 here is 6 divided by 2. So 2 5 the 10, x1 minus 3, so 10 plus 3 and x1 equals to 13. Now 8 to the 16, y1 plus 6. Now 16 minus 6, so you have to put here commas. Y1 now 10 equals to y1. It's mean hence the coordinates of the end point Q is QXY equals to 13 and 10. So you have to do the practice of exercise 9.1 and 9.3. Allah Hafiz.